Mike Reid's in the kitchen and we're going to be making a delicious gluten-free cake. It's high demand at the moment, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, this has become one of the staples in my kitchen.
Yep.
Like, it's such a beautiful, easy cake, and it's gluten-free.
Fantastic. And the base of it is raspberries.
Yep. Beautiful, fresh raspberries. Going to make a simple puree. And the good thing about this recipe as well, you can mix it up. Doesn't have to be raspberry. You can change it to a different fruit, a mango, a coconut, or whatever, you know.
Yes.
You can have fun with this recipe.
I love the idea of raspberries. I think my triplet nieces are going to love this, you know, pink cake, of course.
Exactly.
All right, how can I help you?
Awesome. Right, I'm going to get you to start with the cake. So we're going to whisk up the eggs first, and then you're going to add the sugar to that, and then the flour. And I'm going to get the puree made quickly with these raspberries, and then we'll add that in at the end.
Okay. I like these cakes where it's all just put it into a blender, mix it until we get lots of air in it.
Absolutely, so simple. Like, the aeration process is obviously the most important bit when you're whisking at the first stage. But after that, like, it's idiot-proof. Like, it's really, really simple.
Yeah, when it comes to gluten-free cakes, the air is key to make sure that we do get that lift, and you're going to get that from the eggs.
Yeah. I chose the right colour top doing this puree today. Should just blend in.
I'm going to add some sugar now. And the almond milk goes in at this stage too?
Yes, please.
Oh, great. Okay, in it goes. Okay, and baking powder now?
Not just yet. We're going to give it a really good whisk up first, and then we can add the baking powder towards the end.
Okay.
So this puree, you can see, almost perfect. Right, we're just going to pass it through now, get rid of the seeds. Beautiful colour. So you've got to think that's what your cake's going to look like at the end. It's going to give it that real nice pink, beautiful, playful colour.
And if you didn't want to sieve this at home, of course not, but because, you know me, I don't like the seeds in it.
Exactly, I'm only doing it for you. At home, guys, you don't have to.
Awesome. Okay, I'll give this a really good whisk. All right, we've put the baking powder in now. Lovely and smooth.
Time for the puree. And then we're just going to gently fold that through for the next one.
Oh, and when those two colours come together.
And you see how easy and quick that was to make that puree as well.
Yep.
Like, so simple, so fresh.
And you said not to sieve it, but gee, look at that.
Oh, pretty in pink.
Pretty in pink, all right. And look how much aeration we have there.
Exactly. And that's all with everything going in at the same time as well, except for the baking powder.
Fantastic.
Beautiful colour.
How long are we cooking this for?
It's going to pop in the oven for about probably 30, 35 minutes. Obviously, check it with a cocktail stick. If it comes out clean, good to go. Right, cake's out the oven. I've got some white chocolate, which we've just been melting down here for some shards. I'm going to get you to make the coconut icing now. So you've got some coconut water there.
Yes.
Just want a nice, just to the icing drips. So not too thick.
Yeah, and I think this is where you need to refrain yourself. You want to add more, but just keep mixing it and you'll see that the coconut...
Absolutely, little by little.
Little by little. Usually we'd use milk for this, but the coconut water is a great alternative.
Absolutely. You know, I've got a couple of versions of this cake and dairy-free is one of them. So, like, this is how I keep the icing dairy-free as well.
Nice idea. Oh, that looks almost therapeutic. Just
It is.
spreading.
It is. Just going to keep it nice and thin as we're laying it out.
Nice. And so I guess when this sets, it's going to be firm so we can snap
Exactly
the
that.
chocolate.
We'll just snap the chocolate.
And I'm just bringing in the sides really slowly so we don't get any lumps and it'll start to firm up.
And now I'm just going to break up these dried raspberries and scatter them over. So we're going to have that pretty colour as part of our garnish as well.
Fantastic, that is going to look so good. So that white chocolate's almost going to act as a glue. It's going to stick with all our beautiful little decorations. This now goes into the fridge, is that correct?
Yeah, we're going to pop it in the fridge to chill.
Yep.
About 10-15 minutes and it'll be good to go.
Nice.
Looks good. Are we ready?
Yes.
Confident?
Oh, of course. Whenever you're cooking here, very confident.
Look at that. Beautiful. All right, let's do this the easy way.
Yep.
The trick is if you use the tin, and then it keeps it there.
Easy.
And then you can just take it off.
Yep.
Peel it back.
Oh, gorgeous.
Look at that. Right, we're gonna go icing straight on top.
Okay. And just let it cascade
Look at that.
straight on the top.
Gorgeous, velvety. Love your work with that.
You kind of want it that thick, don't you? So it just does sort of coat
So when
the
it
top of the
sets, it coats the top of the cake.
cake. Yeah.
I'm gonna break up these shards. I want you to start building on the top with the almonds, the berries, the rose petals. And then I'm gonna dot the shards around you.
Go for it.
I'm gonna make this look nice and pretty.
Oh, look at that. The snap.
The snap. It's always in the snap.
And we just sprinkle everywhere.
Yeah, sprinkle, have fun.
Love this.
This is a playful cake.
Yeah.
A nice one you can make with the family or for friends. Easy. I love the rose petal in terms of the flavour. Like you get that little bit of floralness from it as well. But like, it's pink. It's pretty in pink.
It's pretty in pink.
It's pretty in pink. It's about taste, about flavour. It's about theatrics.
I feel like we don't have enough on here, so I should put more. A few more of the almonds over the top.
Beautiful.
Mike, you've outdone yourself again. That is a glorious cake. It's gluten-free, so everyone can enjoy it. And raspberries,
Yeah.
yummo.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks for your help.